Having daughters, I really don't know whether I should be mad or I should be happy. Like, I really don't know. I have taught my daughter a lot about self care and hygiene and all of those stuff. And she has grown to love it. And she's really loving the self care, the self pamper, to the point now where I am kind of like upset. I don't know whether I should be mad or be upset because now she wants my stuff. She wants to use my product. She wants to use the things that I am using. When hers is finished, she is sneaking into my room to use my perfume, use my body oil, use my body mist. Like she wants my face mask. She wants to use my face wash. She wants to use everything that I am using. So I normally pick her body mist. She's been loving it. I spray this. I don't want to mispronounce the name. Okay, I sprayed it and she loved it. She was like, "Mom, I really love it. Can you get me one?" At that time, I wasn't going to the city, so I told her, "Okay, you can use mine, no problem." So we start using mine, and I was like, "You know what? Let me just buy her one." So I got her the normal size, the middle size one. I said you can be using it from this one. And this girl used this at night when she finished take shower. She'll not even spray it. She will wash with it because how can you spray something that the bedroom will be smelling that body mist the whole time? Like if you go to the bedroom right now, all you can smell is this body mist. She washed with it at night after taking shower, in the morning before she go to school. She wear this one time and she got compliments that, oh, you smell so beautiful, you smell so sweet, you smell so beautiful. And since that day, this girl has been spraying mine. I got her one. She finished it even before mine was finished. And now hers is finished. And I was like, okay, you know what? You can be using mine when you're going to school. That night thing, I don't have energy for it, but you can use it when you're ready to go to school. I just looked at mine yesterday and I was like, ah, me, I have been managing this thing. I have been managing because you don't need a lot because I have the body butter, I have the body oil, I have the body spray. So therefore, I don't need a lot of the body mist. I just spray one, two. I'm also going to spray the perfume and I'm using the body oil. So therefore, you don't need that much. But since this girl has been using it, yesterday I was like, okay, let me just spray. I look at it and I'm like, I'm here. I'm like, Chineke, what did I put upon myself? So I went to the store. I was trying to look for something else because this thing is not cheap. Okay, this is not cheap for a girl that is not working, that does not have any money, that does not have anything. It's not cheap. Okay, it's not cheap. It's expensive for her. She's not working. I'm the one buying it. So I was like, I'm start looking around to see what she something that resemble this a lot. I went on the internet to find dupe that resembled a lot. I went to Kreisbad. I saw some Kreisbad body mist. I sprayed them on this testing spray paper. I bring it at home. She smelled it. She was like, "Nah, I don't like this one." And then a friend of mine told me, check the Vibra. The Vibra have like a dupe for this one. I'm not really like fan of promoting dupe, but at this point, for a girl that does not work, does not contribute financially in my life, no, she give me much love and care, which I highly appreciate. She make me breakfast in the morning, Saturdays. She makes me lunch. She always asks, "Mama, can I help you in the kitchen? Mama, do you want me to empty the dishwasher for you? Mama, do you want me to vacuum the stairs for you, the trap? Do you want me to vacuum the living room?" She helps me around, but even at that, she's not contributing financially. So therefore, I should not be spending money on body mist. I can spend money on clothes and other things, but on body mist. So I am taking them to the Vibra right now. We are going to test out some of this body mist that they have here, and I'm going to allow them to choose. I am really mad. And one thing that she's been loving also is this body oil. She tested. It's summer. The weather is really nice, so she wear the short sleeve. And I said, okay, you can spray one or two, and then rub it on your arms like this, and She was in love. She came back the next day. Mama, can I have little of your body oil? I'm like, mm-mm. So I bought this cocoa butter, this Vaseline body oil, cocoa body oil. I bought it and I was like, you know what? This is also very good. You can have one of this. I gave her one of this. She was like, yeah, this one is good, but I like this one better. I'm like, no, no, no. You are not financially you cannot afford it. Even this one you cannot afford it. But I can be dashing you because this one it's not that expensive. I can be buying this one for you instead of you using mine and finish it because when she is doing something, she's not doing small. She's not just managing. She don't know how to manage. There's no manage in this girl's system. So right now I'm really, really pissed. I'm the one that taught her. Yes, the blame is mine, but I'm extremely pissed right now. So I'm taking them to the Vibra. We're going to look for this body mist, something that she will like, that she don't have to come to my room and finish mine anymore. Like, oh, daughters, when you have daughters is it's another type of breath that but I was so upset. I was really upset. I was so upset. I was discussing with my friend and she was like, check the Vibra. As soon as I come back from work, they're back from school. I'm like, you know what? Let's go to the Vibra. Let's go and look for something that this girl will like so that she can leave mine alone because these products are not cheap. They're expensive, but they are also very, very good. Very, very good. I love them. As much as they're expensive, I cannot stop using it. I love
Here
it.
we are at the Vibra looking around. So we're looking around for the product, but I already asked and they already showed me where the product is. But the girls wanted to look around, just play around in the store. I love the fact that they are really loving the self-care thing. And it's very important when you have kids, whether boy or girls, it's very important for you to teach them self-care, hygiene, how to take care of themselves, how to always look good and smell good. It's very important because when you teach kids things like that when they are young, when they grow older, is very, very important. So for me, having kids, it was a priority to teach them how to take care of themselves, to make sure you smell very good, you look good, so you don't go and suffocate people out there. So finally, we found the product, and she really likes all of them. She actually wanted to have everything, all the body mist, the different scents. I was like, nah, that's too much. But luckily they have the mini ones in the package, so you can have like all the smells in mini one. She really loved the yellow one. I think that's the one that has a similar smell with the Sol de Janeiro, even though it's not completely, but kind of similar. She loved that one, so I ended up picking two of that one extra, which I kept in my room. So just as a backup, so in case the mini ones finish, she can have them. She also loved the body wash. She was like, oh, should I also pick up the body wash? I'm like, no, you don't need to pick up the body wash. You can also use my body wash. I don't mind because the body wash I have, it's in a very large container, so you can use those. I don't mind that. So I don't really mind. The body butter, she wanted that one as well. I was like, nah, you people have like really sensitive and dry skin. So that's the reason why I DIY my own body butter for them. So I was like, you can pick the body mist. That's all you need. The body butter, I DIY my own. And since you guys have been using the DIY body butter that I make, your skin looks much more better now. The body shower gel, I don't mind. You can use mine. So yeah, this was it, and it was really nice, really, really nice. So we end up picking what they want, and then we came home and she already set everything up. So this is the girls skincare. That is the simple skincare is what they use for their face. It does have SPF, which is very important. So and I also have their shea butter DIY that I also make, and she set all the body mist, and the two that I picked up, I kept those in my bedroom because I just wanted to keep it, because if I put it in the room, I felt like she's going to spray everything and it's going to be finished in a second. So yeah, this was her mini setup.